Hello, I own a Troy Bilt 26J mini rider lawn mower. This is my 5th season with it and I am having trouble strting it. I did replace the battery about 3 weeks ago and it worked great. Now for some rason, it will not start for me and my grass is getting long. I checked the fuse and it's fine. I'm also following the statng directions.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shutoff valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes, the fuel tank is full and closed. There is enough oil too.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Well, I do the cutting if that's what you mean.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
As I said earlier, I've been using this tractor for 5 years and I am clueless as to why it won't start. A repair person cannot come to get it for at least a week. Just very frustrating.
Hi, I will be glad to try to help you. The first thing I need to tell you is to take the battery to a very good auto parts store or lawnmower repair shop and have it load tested. If the battery does not show good under a load test, then it will not turn the engine over properly. They should also be able to tell you if the battery is fully charged or not. Since you said you bought a new battery, I understand that you think it is good. But it depends on a lot of things. If you bought the battery at a big box store, we have had a lot of trouble with those cheap batteries. In fact, I have found that nearly 50% of those batteries actually do not work properly. You need to have a battery that has at least 300 cranking amps in it. Most of those discount store or hardware store or home stores are selling batteries that can have as little as 190 cranking amps. Some of them will have as much as 220 cranking amps, but that is not enough for 2-day riders or tractors. So that is the first step: have the battery tested. And remember, just because it is 12 volts does not mean it does not have a short in it and that it is bad. You need to have it load tested. The next thing would be that one of the safety switches may not be working properly. The first safety switch to check would be the switch that is actuated by the brake, clutch pedal. If the switch is not working properly or the pedal is not being pushed all the way down, then this will prevent the engine from turning over. The next switch to check would be the Pto switch, or in other words, the switch that helps to turn the mower blades on. If you have an electric clutch which is actuated by using an electric switch, then that switch could be bad, as it has two purposes. One purpose is to turn the blades on and off, and the second purpose is used in the safety system. The side that works with the safety switch system may be bad and it's not working. Those are the two main safety switches that cause the engine to not turn over if they are bad. Another switch that could possibly cause this would be the ignition switch, but this does not happen very often. You also want to make sure that you check all the connectors and all the wires that go to all of those switches to make sure they're making contact properly. There's also a very slight possibility that one of the wires could have broken or frayed and is causing this issue. Let me know what you find. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.